This video isn't how to do something like the rest of my videos because I don't make how to sign up tutorials, and that's pretty much all it takes to make money with Honeygain. But let's set up the expectations straight. With this app, it's impossible to make 1000 amount. It's highly unlikely you will ever make even 200 a month. Many people on the internet use strategies and earning more than $100 per month completely effortlessly, and I will share with you the links to their strategies. But that in a moment. Realistically, without using strategies or making your friends sign up for using your link, you get something like $10 or $30 a month. It doesn't matter where you're from, you can use this app worldwide. Essentially what it does, it shares your internet connections with Honeygain clients. No personal information, only your internet connection. For example, search results vary depending on your location, so businesses' websites that compare different products or services can increase their database using Honeygain and your internet connection. In my opinion, you should test this app on all your desktop and mobile devices where you have unlimited internet data. I will put in the description of this video links to the strategies other people use to increase their earnings with Honeygain. Make the registration for Honeygain from my link or the links of the other Honeygain reviews and you will receive $5 in your account. You can withdraw it when you reach $20. Thanks for watching.